Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore 20 unknown and fascinating facts about one of the greatest English poets, that is John Milton. This video is extremely important for DGT, PGT, NET, SET and other English literature exams because many factual and analytical questions are repeatedly asked from Milton's life and works. And this is highly important for the upcoming TGT examination. So keep your notebook ready because along with facts I'll also mention important publication dates and exam-oriented points. First one, the birth of John Milton. Right, John Milton was born in London in a prosperous middle-class family. His father was a scrivener and also a music lover. Milton belongs to the Puritan age and his date of birth was 9th December 1608. Milton knew many languages. That is the second point. Milton was a linguistic genius. He knew Latin, Greek, Hebrew, Italian, French and Spanish. At St. Paul's School, he excelled in Greek, Latin, and Italian. Here, one more fact we know about John Milton, that he studied at St. Paul's School. This is why his poetry contains heavy classical references. Talking about his education, education was done at Cambridge, entered Cambridge in 1625. He studied at Christ College, Cambridge. Exam questions, if we see, it was asked like which university did Milton attend? It was Cambridge University. Fourth point, Milton wanted to become a priest. Initially, Milton planned to join the church, but later he became dissatisfied with religious corruption, and that is why he did not become priest. That dissatisfaction later shaped his revolutionary political writings. Milton was a strong supporter of freedom of speech. That is the fifth point. Areopagitica, published in 1644, Milton wrote Areopagitica, one of the greatest defenses of freedom of speech and freedom of the press. Areopagitica is a prose work, not poetry. 6. Milton supported the Puritans. During the English Civil War, Milton supported Oliver Cromwell and the Puritan government. Because of this, after the monarchy returned, Milton was arrested for a short time. 7th point, Milton became blind. He was completely blind around 1652. One of the most inspiring facts, Milton became totally blind before writing his masterpiece, Paradise Lost. 8th point, Paradise Lost was dictated, not written. Since Milton was blind, he dictated Paradise Lost to assistants and even his daughters. Imagine composing one of the world's greatest epics completely from memory. 9th point, publication of the Paradise Lost. It was published in the year 1667. Paradise Lost is Milton's greatest epic poem. Exam point, first edition had only 10 books, right? Revised edition of Paradise Lost was published in 1674. The later edition of Paradise Lost was divided into 12 books inspired by Virgil's Aeneid. This is also very important. Talking about next, 11th point, Milton wrote in blank verse. Milton used blank verse, unrhymed iambic pentameter, and Shakespeare used it in drama. Milton perfected it in epic poetry. 12th point, Saturn became the most famous character. Interestingly, many readers find Saturn more powerful and attractive than Adam or God in Paradise Lost. Who is considered the heroic figure by some critics? That can be the possible question. So answer is Saturn. 13th point, Milton's famous aim. Milton declared the purpose of Paradise Lost in one famous line. And what was that line? To justify the ways of God to men. That was, I think, from the poem on his blindness, the very famous poem and one of the most quoted lines in English literature. Paradise Regained, 14th point, that was published in the year 1671. Milton wrote Paradise Regained as a sequel to Paradise Lost. It focuses on the temptation of Christ. 15th point, Samson Agonists. That was published in 1671. This dramatic poem reflects Milton's own blindness and suffering. Many critics consider Samson a symbolic representation of Milton himself. 16th point, Milton met Galileo. During his European tour, Milton reportedly met the scientist Galileo in Italy. This explains the scientific and astronomical references in Paradise Lost. Milton coined new English words. 17th point, Milton introduced or popularized several English words like self-esteem and terrific. His contribution to English vocabulary is enormous. 18th point, Milton was a master of prose too. Most students remember Milton only as a poet, but he was also a brilliant prose writer. Important prose works, Areopagitica, of Education, The Tenure of Kings and Magistrates. And then 19th point, Milton is called the greatest poet after Shakespeare. Many scholars regard Milton as the greatest English poet after Shakespeare. and that is a very important critical opinion. Talking about 20th, the last point, but not the least, death of John Milton. It was on 8 November 1674. Milton died in the London at the age of 65, but his literary legacy still dominates English literature today. Now, quick revision for exams. If we talk about work and publication year, the first were Aeropagtica, that was published in the year 1644, Paradise Lost 1667, Paradise Regained 1671, Samson Agonist was also published in the year 1671. Now, so friends, these were 20 unknown and highly important facts about John Milton, especially designed for TGT and PGT English exams. If you found this video helpful, like, share with English literature students, and subscribe for more exam-oriented literature content. Thank you for watching. Peace.